Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Fresh Fix with Dad. Today I've got a fantastic DIY beauty recipe for you. It's a natural face mask that will leave your skin feeling glowing. We're going to be using some unexpected ingredients that are actually packed with benefits for your skin. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. For the ingredients, we're using dry yeast and milk. Now, I know it might sound a bit odd, but trust me, dry yeast is a hidden gem for your skin. Yeast is loaded with vitamins and minerals that help promote collagen production, which is essential for maintaining your skin's elasticities and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. It's like giving your skin a natural boost. The second ingredient, which is milk, is packed with natural fats, and it provides deep hydration and nourishment to your skin, giving you that plump and healthy look. It also contains enzymes that help lighten dark spots and even out your skin tone, giving you that even radiant complexion we all crave. Now let's put it all together. So in a bowl, I will be mixing 2 to 3 tablespoons of dry yeast with 2 to 3 tablespoons of warm milk. I usually make enough mixture to apply it on my face, on my neck, and on my hands. Slowly add enough milk to create a smooth paste. You'll notice that the dry yeast will absorb the warm milk and the paste hardens pretty quick. This is why you see me adding milk little by little until I reach the desired paste. Make sure the consistency is not too runny. We want it to stick to your face without dripping. So before applying the mask, you need to wash your face with warm water to open up the pores so your face and your skin will absorb anything you introduce into it. If your mask gets hardened by the time you're about to use it, you can add a little more milk and it will go back to the paste that you made it before. Go ahead and apply it. You can do 2 layers in your face if you have extra, or if you want. I try to use it all, so I usually apply a second layer after this one dries out. Okay, so I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'll wash it after. Like, you can leave it for 10 minutes until you feel it that it's already dried, and that's when you wash it with warm water. So after 10 minutes it's already dried. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it, and then I'll be back. So I washed my face first with warm water, and then after that I washed it with cold water. And then the last step, it would be to apply some rose water. You can use one of these round cottons to apply that. Apply it all over my face. This is one of the best toners to use. It's really good. And I'm gonna apply it on my hands as well. So after you're done toning your face with the rose water, I have a mixture of oils. They're all natural, organic, cold pressed oils. I'll share the mixture in a different video, and you just put some drops in your hands, and then you're gonna apply it all over your face and hands. And there you have it, a DIY face mask using dry yeast and milk, followed by a rose water toner. Remember to do this routine 2 to 3 times a week for best results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!